The best PDF scanning applications for Android provide a seamless way to convert physical documents into digital files with just a few taps on the screen. These apps leverage the device's camera to capture high-quality images of documents, which are then processed using advanced optical character recognition, OCR technology, enabling text extraction for easy editing and searching. Key features often include various image enhancement options, such as adjusting brightness and contrast, cropping to eliminate unnecessary backgrounds, and applying filters to improve readability. Users can also add annotations, highlights, and signatures, making these apps useful for collaboration and approvals. Many scanning applications offer cloud storage integration, allowing users to effortlessly share and access their scanned documents across multiple devices, ensuring that important files are always at hand. Customizable output options enable the saving of scanned documents in various formats, including PDF, JPEG, and even multi-page PDFs, catering to different user needs.